Listen carefully, because you have two choices when it comes to AI: adopt it or get left behind. It's hard to keep up with all the news about AI because it seems like every new AI seems to be the next big thing that will take everyone to the next level. But that's not 100% true. Most AI products that everyone swears by won't benefit you in any significant manner. They're cool and good to have, but they won't help you. So what should you look for in an AI tool? Well, an AI tool should either make you more money or save you time. It's as simple as that. And with the tools I'm about to show you, you'll be able to do both. In this video, I'll show you 6 AI tools that can make you lots of money and save you lots of time. The first two are 10web.io and durable.co. Back in the day, creating a website required a lot of skills and training. You had to be proficient in several coding languages, design the UI, and write front-end and back-end code manually before you could fill a page with a copy. I mean, this entire process could take anywhere between weeks or months, depending on the complexity of the website. It was a long, difficult, and most importantly, expensive process. And in the late 90s, even the most basic website could cost somewhere around $20,000. Then came tools like WordPress and later Wix and Shopify, who drastically reduced costs and made it possible for most people to build a website, at least a basic website. But even since these came nowadays, you don't have to code everything yourself. You can just put whatever you want into a website builder. But it still takes effort to get the design perfect, create the copy, and learn how to use the website builders themselves. So much so that agencies and contractors will offer to do it for you. And let's be honest, lots of custom websites are just slightly improved versions of basic Wix templates. So building websites isn't easy or quick. That's where AI comes in. With tools like 10web.io and Durable, you can use AI to build your entire website for you. AI recreation allows you to feed the AI websites you like, and it can recreate similar websites for you. Now, of course, once made, you can edit whatever you want, and even have the tool regenerate the site until it's to your perfection and your liking. So you can either use these AI tools in your own business.
Why? This is business.
This is my sweat.
I know, but I did business.
Or you can even start businesses around them. You see tons of people are paying freelancers a few $100s to make really basic websites. And with these tools, you can blow those freelancers out of the water in a matter of minutes, and even command higher prices while doing so. These are perfect examples of how AI tools can both save time and make you money now. Over the years, our attention span has gone shorter and shorter, and creators have to grab attention faster and faster. That eventually led to our current reality, where short-form content is king. AI can also revolutionize your content creation process.
Wow! Very dangerous!
And that's where a tool like Opus Clip becomes extremely useful. You see, Opus Clip is able to take any long-form video and with one click, turn your long-form content into short-form content. Now, the best part about this tool is that the AI is able to find the best hooks in the video and piece them together with the relevant highlights to pretty much cut out all of the boring stuff. And that means that your chances of virality are much, much higher. Now, this is easily one of the highest ROI tools on this list, especially considering how prevalent short-form content is, and, as well as the short-form is not going anywhere. Tools like Opus Clip can not only save you time in editing and money in hiring, but you can also build a business around it, of course. By now, the industry is no stranger to short-form agencies, but just because there are plenty of them doesn't mean that they no longer work. That means that tools like Opus can actually make you tons and tons of money. Now, my next tool is Tidio. Tidio's AI Lyro can help or replace your support team while boosting website sales, saving you money by hiring fewer staff or making more money by improving customer service, which results in more net income. AI-powered chatbot Tidio AI can accomplish two things. Instead of clogging the website with tons of frequently asked questions and still having loads of questions unanswered, you can now feed all of that information into AI, which can answer all of your customers' queries. This can increase your site's conversion rates by making the customer journey so much more seamless. If a customer asks a question that the AI doesn't know the answer to, it will instantly send them to a real person. Lyro can answer 70 of your customers' questions, which means your customer service team can help more people in less time. The next tool I want to talk about is Adobe Firefly, one of the craziest AI tools. Most of the other tools on this list save you time or money by doing tasks for you, like 10web and Durable creating websites for you, or Tidio answering customer questions. They give you leverage. Leverage is what makes AI so powerful. Before AI, you'd have to spend hours on a task or pay someone to do it. Now you have an employee for a fraction of the cost. Adobe Firefly allows you to do things that would never have been possible. And this AI is incredibly valuable because you can make it easier to work and 100 times better, which will make you more money. Let me explain how it works. Firefly is a generative AI-powered content creation tool that can simply create things. Let's look at 3 examples and how it can help you. Firefly can create realistic images from detailed text, which is incredibly useful if you need product photography or any other scenario where you need to depict something. Normally, you'd need a whole team of graphic designers and artists. Second, Firefly has something called generative fill, which means it can draw in or erase objects in a photo. If you want to wear a different outfit in a photo, this AI can do that for you. It can also turn your sketches into photorealistic images, and much more if you work with Firefly. Coming next. Now, have you ever read through a seemingly endless contract or some other lengthy document? Now, maybe you have to do some reading for class, or maybe you need to read some other brief or report for work. Well, if you've ever been in a situation where you have to read a long document, then DocuAsk can save you a ton of time. Because with DocuAsk, you no longer need to read those long documents. You see, there are plenty of tools that summarize text. ChatGPT can even do that. But the issue with the summaries is that they're only that summary. That means that you will inevitably miss important fine details. But if you know what to look for, well, then you can use a DocuAsk, because DocuAsk takes any document and analyzes it. So you can simply ask questions about it in a chat box. Listen, Listen, here's the thing. Extracting information from documents literally could not be easier. So you no longer need to spend hours and hours scrolling through documents. You can simply use AI. Now, the next AI tool that may be the most useful AI on this list, and that's Microsoft's Copilot. Copilot directly complements Microsoft's entire suite of products. That means it's able to do everything from analyzing Excel spreadsheets to making full-blown PowerPoints. Copilot can even transcribe notes from a Microsoft team meeting, summarize the essential points, and execute the action items, such as making a presentation. Copilot may customize your presentation to your branding standards. We've all made a PowerPoint presentation, but Copilot knows your calendar and can prepare you for meetings, generate reports and other Word documents based on previous work, and answer all your emails. Copilot is one of the best examples of AI making your workflow more seamless and efficient. Anyone can use it, especially if they use Microsoft products. Whether you need to make a pitch deck for clients or analyze last quarter's profitability, Copilot can help. This AI revolution is like any other technological revolution. There will be a boom and a bust. The key is to be able to tell what's going to stay and capitalize on the trends that are. Now that you have these 6 tools to help you make money and save time, get to work and subscribe for all the amazing upcoming content.